So how do you determine, I mean, you mentioned the org chart. Obviously you have a bunch of voids. I think every small business has a bunch of voids. How do you determine when or who to hire next? What's your process look like?
So we did start the org chart, and there's we spent months on it, kind of getting it refined. And then we kind of see the weaknesses within the company. What's slowing us down? What's the breaking point right now? And we were missing details with customers. And part of that is because, like I said before, we were so busy. I'm overloading my team. And so I saw that need, kind of what they needed to take off their plate, basically. And that's what I kind of listed out. How can I help my team be more efficient, be more effective? And ultimately, our goal is to provide the best customer service. You hear everybody say that. We had an awesome kind of spring kickoff this week. And I said, our number one goal should be, when you leave this job site, did I provide the best customer service I could? And if this is my house, would I be happy with this customer service? And we're not doing that right now. So I had to go kind of back to our roots. And like I said, scratch my head. And what we're missing is that production guy that's keeping us in line, making sure that we're tracking the right jobs, making sure we have job folders set up, make sure we have our materials on job sites. That's going to allow my project manager to focus on that micro level. Here's your job planner. We've already got the material set up for you. Now go run that job and hopefully not have the hiccups and headaches. When the project manager's jumping around from 6 different jobs, 7 different jobs, and he's ordering material, and he's dealing with, Miss Homeowner saying she's mad because our guys planted the tree, 2 inches away from where it was supposed to be planted. You can't put out all those fires in one day. So, but yeah, it's kind of funny. Like, I can't remember mentioning this or not, but when I did the org chart, I wrote out, firefighter was really what I was looking for. I had honest conversations with this hire we're making. I said, look, man, here's your job description, if you will, but it's a moving target. There's gonna be stuff that's not on that job description, in that job agreement, that you got to kind of pivot and adjust to. So, finding that right person too, I think, again, it hasn't started yet, but that's been something I've been working on for a while. Even though I didn't know I was going to hire this position, I knew this is kind of the person I needed, for quite some time.
So is it a position now, like, obviously there's a budget attached to whoever you hire. Like, are you hiring them before you have the budget, or how's that look financially?
No, we definitely, reached out to, we have an accountant firm we work with. We reached out to the accountant firm and said, can we afford this hire? And she said, are you willing to give up some revenue on your end? And would you be happier at the end of the day if you didn't have to manage so much? And I said, I would be happier. My team would be happier. So we definitely looked if we could afford it, And another thing that kind of picks it up, it's kind of cool. We charge $2, I think it's $3 more an hour on our jobs, and we'll pay for this position. So just add $3 an hour. Yeah.